Good morning, this is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Monday, September 13th. Look at the weather impact summary. We are expecting dry conditions through Friday. The main impact, I believe, this week, we expect some possibly windy conditions developing Wednesday and continuing through the weekend. So we are expecting gusty winds for quite a long period of time. Again, that'll probably begin on Wednesday. And we could see the return of precipitation next weekend. Looking at the satellite imagery today, the loop, again, pretty much clear over Idaho. You can see this extensive mass of cloud cover exiting the southeast corner, and all the showers and thunderstorms that were pretty widespread late yesterday into the overnight period have moved into Wyoming, and we are expecting dry conditions the remainder of today. And here's the weather impact overview. Not expecting much of anything today and Tuesday. Maybe a few breezy areas with some wind gusts over 20 miles per hour, but the more significant wind is going to come Wednesday and then continue through the remainder of the week. Going to see some breezy conditions through, like I said, for quite a long period of time, starting Wednesday. High temperatures today generally right around seasonal normals, upper 70s to around 80 in the Snake River Plain, mid 60s to mid 70s in the high elevations. As we get into Tuesday, similar temperatures, maybe slightly cooler, but again, mainly 70s, low elevations, 60s in the mountains. And it should be warmer Wednesday ahead of a cold front pushing through, which will push through during the day. It'll probably be the warmest day of the week ahead of the cold frontal passage. Again, many Snake River Plain areas getting into the low 80s on Monday. So again, that'll probably be the mildest day of the next several. And here are the wind gusts for Wednesday. You can see widespread 20 to 30 mile per hour winds, some areas of 30 to 35 mile per hour gusts through the day on Wednesday. Wednesday night, some of the Arco Desert 30 to 40 mile per hour gust range. And you can see these breezy conditions continuing Thursday with, again, the widespread 20 to 30 miles per hour and into Friday. So again, it looks like we're going to be heading into quite an extended period of breezy to occasional windy conditions in central southeast Idaho. And you see some of the gusts Friday afternoon, Friday night in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range. And a quick look at the extended 1 to 2 week. Below normal temperatures are expected with below normal precipitation for the last week of September. So again, the main thing we're going to be looking at are windy conditions developing in the Wednesday into the weekend period, and also some precipitation returning next weekend ahead of an upper level trough moving through. And again, with that system over the weekend, temperatures could get fairly cool by the Sunday to Monday time frame, but that's going to be way out. So again, I think for the most part, the winds are going to be the big issue beginning midweek through the weekend. That will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a good Monday.